What's up YouTube, my name is Ryan. I'm going to be showing you my car today. The engine is stock, the exhaust is stock, it has a minor tune, and I've just done some minor cosmetic things to the car. I think it looks really good, and I hope you guys feel the same way I do about my car. So we'll start with that. This is my car right here. It's a 2013 Hyundai Accent. So I took off the hubcaps and I blacked out the rims. I painted them myself. The car is tinted. I put these rain guards on myself. I put these on here as well, just for some minor air grabbing. So when I'm on the freeway or going a little faster, 55, 65, whatever it may be, these things right here will grab the air and keep them down the middle of the car. Right here, these are also for rain. Not that it really rains a lot in Southern California, but it's nice to have. It looks cool, and I think it maybe a little bit of aerodynamics to it. It's possible. Like I said, the wheels are painted. So I installed these myself. I'll link a video to the other video I made where I actually installed these. So these are actually daytime running lights. Whenever I turn the car on, these turn on. I just turn on the battery, so you can see that they're currently turned on, but whenever the car is turned on, those are daytime running lights. I think they're really cool. I'm glad I put those in. Like I said, I'll link a description to my other video in which I installed them. Something else is I put LEDs in here that gives the car a real nice mean look. Not that the car's mean, but you know, it's pretty cool. I think they look really cool. Later on I'll maybe have a picture or something what the car looks like with the LED change. Right here I also added a light bar. Unfortunately I didn't make a video of this, but it's really nice, especially late at night driving on dark streets or whatever it may be, that really lights up the street in front of you. I made another video where I put in a camera, and so I could get some good driving footage. You can see that the camera's right there, and as you look over the car, you can see that the two things on top are on those two corners, and it really helps with the aerodynamics of the vehicle. I blacked out the emblems as well, so I mean that's on everything. You can see I tinted the lane changers as well. I think it looks really good. Just with the white part on the car right there, it looked kind of odd, so I tinted those. I did that myself. And you can see, you could still see the lane, the change. It doesn't do anything as far as that goes, but cosmetically it looks better. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you guys a cold startup now on the vehicle. Alright guys, I hope you feel the same way I do about my vehicle. It's pretty cool. Everything I've done to it, I've done myself, and I hope to do so with my next car that I end up purchasing, whatever it may be. So we're going to take it for a quick test drive, just so you guys can kind of hear and get... Just so you guys can hear and kind of get a sense of what it's like to drive this car. This is a 2013 Hyundai Accent. And I've put roughly 65,000 miles on the car, no problems whatsoever. The car is extremely reliable. And this is what it's like to drive this car. Now the car doesn't have the greatest 0 to 60 time. It is just a regular, everyday, daily driver car. But nonetheless, for it being what it is, it's a fun car. It sounds good, and well, I hope you guys enjoy this footage as much as I do. So, thanks for watching, guys. Alright guys, well thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this footage as much as I enjoyed creating it. Please like and subscribe down below. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. I'm here to answer them. Thanks for watching, and until next time.